And welcome to Robin's house. Today, I'm working with the little brown box, and that means it's Let's Kit Together. So this month, I am doing the Road to Christmas card kit, and I'm featuring it anyway. You can choose something else. But I just wanted to show you because it's super cute, and it comes with two card designs, and you do four of each. And it has all these punch outs for the little trucks. The trucks are just adorable, aren't they? And it even has some trees and some dogs. And I think either I didn't do it right or there is enough trees to put just trees in both trucks on both cards. There's also enough little dogs to put a dog in both cards. So that is very fun. But I also wanted to show you something else. What if you added one piece of cardstock to your cards and it looks so amazing? It's just a step up, a teeny tiny step up that makes a huge difference. And so I want to uh, encourage you to not shy away from just adding something small to these super cute kits just to really punch it up. And then I also wanted to show you these super cute envelopes. Unfortunately, this is on the inside, so it gets hidden away, but it does have some cute trees on the outside. So this kit makes 8 cards, 2 each of 4 designs. And I hope to see you at my next Let's Kit Together. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.